So here we go for another tornado warning. Things aren't calming down, I don't think.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Greene County in west central Iowa, Webster County in central Iowa, southeastern Calhoun County in west central Iowa, northwestern Boone County in central Iowa, southwestern Hamilton County in central Iowa, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located 2 miles west of Jefferson, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar.
Not
The
again.
following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Gowrie around 5:50 p.m. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Boone, Calhoun, Greene, Hamilton, and Webster.
Oh God.